so many screws covering up the Taptic engine?
One of 8 billion down in the mud, strange children.
Okay, now hopefully I can pull out the battery without any problems. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Right. Well, now I need to try and get this card underneath it.
Lonely and lost, but we still run. Fight 'cause we must. We kill and we survive. Poisonous raindrops. We hope for the day when the rain stops. Until then we
Okay, now I'm gonna cut these tweezers.
stay under grain rocks and live without pain, just trying to stay alive. The sky is falling down.
Okay, I'm just gonna use some isopropyl alcohol and that card and see if I can get it out.
Been raining for centuries. They say that it's meant to be, meant to be. But you are not alone, and we're not out of hope. We'll get out of the rain we go. Out of the rain, you know. We're running away from home. No, we can't stay.
I need the proper tweezers. So now that I've got those screws out, I can take the speaker out, hopefully, maybe. Now easily get to the battery. Right, so now I'm just gonna go very slowly, because I don't want to puncture this battery. Just trying to get some isopropyl alcohol on here. This isopropyl alcohol is working like magic.
Far beyond the raindrops. Far beyond the raindrops. And you know they'll chase us. We gotta hide our traces. And no one can see our faces. And no one can see what we're about to do.
Right, well there's our battery. Yeah, so that came out relatively easily with the isopropyl alcohol. So now I can also go ahead and remove the charging port and microphone assembly.
No more.
issues.
Baby, don't you worry, I'll make sure that you are right. Baby, don't you worry about me, I will be fine. Give you everything that's mine. Hope you won't see the hunger in my eyes. All that we've been dreaming of lies beyond the clouds, beyond the fears, beyond.
Okay, looks like this has to be taken off as well.
The rain and the tears and the pain, baby, don't you be afraid. I'll make sure you're safe. I keep on fighting, yeah, I keep on fighting.
I don't know why Apple has to use so many screws on these things. Oh, I've got to remove the SIM card.
I want you to hide it while I'm on my way. No one will hurt you, I promise you, babe. It will be okay, just be silent and stay. Stay put, come follow, I'll be back tomorrow. Give you everything that's mine. Hope you will see the hunger in my.
I've got to remove the whole logic board just to remove this one connector.
All that we've been dreaming of lies beyond the clouds, beyond the fears, beyond the rain and the tears and the pain. Baby, don't you be afraid. I'll make sure you're safe. I keep on fighting, yeah, I keep on fighting. I keep on fighting, yeah, I keep on fighting. I keep on fighting, yeah, I keep on fighting. Don't cry, I'll be back.
I hate these stupid screws that double as screw holes. Oh, there's another two of those stupid screws.
Tomorrow when you wake up, don't cry. I'll be out tonight to keep the monsters away.
Right, well there's the logic board. Okay, and finally I've removed the last part that's got to be removed from this phone. The charging port. I'm quite tired already. I'm only halfway there. So now I've got to scrape out all of this. Why do they have to put these seals on here? Yes, I know it's for waterproofing, but still, it's annoying. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.